What's up, internet? Welcome to Kenny Vlogs. Today we get some white stuff. Let's get sponsored, brah.
Now bear right to stay on Lowit Highway.
Yeah. Bit of a change of scene today, eh?
Yeah, man, we made it all the way to the Yukon, and there's a lot of snow.
We don't even have to make a kicker, really. We can just make a floater. Just straight out into the abyss.
What's up, guys? So it's Christmas holidays. We thought we were on top of the game. We left the city early. We drove out to Manning Park, which is 2.5 hours east of Vancouver. A truck was down on the road, so they weren't letting any traffic pass. So there was another ski hill in the area about 1.5 hours away called Sasquatch Mountain Resort, which is where we are now. And they're sold out of lift tickets for the day. So it's still super early and we're still super soaked to get some turns in. So we're gonna do it any way we can. We did a bit of hiking, we're gonna build a jump, and we'll see what we can do for you guys.
Heck yeah. No, probably not.
Lean back.
Yeah.
It's very, very soft. Well, we got about a waist high of fresh snow, and Darren's about to try this out for the first time. Here we go.
You can do it! Lean back, brother!
Yeah.
Go straight. Make sure whatever you do, go straight to the jump. Break a trail on the way down. It's not working. You need your money back. Those skis don't work.
Well, those people that want to join, good. There we go. Snowboard's way better.
Oh yeah. You're gonna get massive air, dude. Oh shit. Oh fuck. Dude, are you okay?
Yo!
Get massive air, dude. Oh! Oh my god! Dude, are you okay?
Yo! No, sweet. He's gonna clear the whole fucking thing.
Yeah, you see where I landed? That's where he's gonna land.
Oh, Bosch, what happened there?
Shit got real.
Oh man, so
got real.
Guys, I missed the shot. Bosch hit the jump first try. He was the guinea pig, and he sent it so big. He loaded up on the jump by leaning back with a lot of speed before he took off, and so when he hit it, it just sent him flying, and it scared the shit out of me. I actually dropped the camera. So we're gonna use Brian's clip on this one. Thankfully he got it.
We got on the phone.
Yeah.
It's a gooder.
Oh! Oh my god! Today's episode was brought to you by Derek. Darren's dropping in. Second person to hit it.
Sick.
Good speed checking.
Oh, no.
You got it. Go with it.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Need more speed.
Get into it. Oh yeah, there you go.
Sick.
Oh yeah, you need to just give her from there.
Yeah.
Huck it. Huck it.
Yeah.
Nice.
Oh, it got deep quick though.
There you go. Deep.
Shit.
Sorry, I went the wrong way.
Yeah.
Derek's dropping in. First hit. Yoo-hoo! To feet.
Almost.
Oh, dude, that was it.
Almost. After 360 in the air, you can't really carve off this jump because that's too soft. So you have to just start spinning in the air. Yeah, buddy.
Yeah!
Yeah.
My edge on the way in.
Yeah.
Yeah! Oh,
Yeah, Bosch. Woo!
That's what he was doing.
Yeah, Bosch.
Send it right over this. Please.
Woo!
Oh,
Oh, he
I think
disappeared.
he just went into a crevasse or something.
Yo, you okay? Yeah!
Dick.
All right, Darren, you got this?
Hope so.
Full commit. Go straight.
Yeah, bud. There you go.
Oh.
Yeah!
None of us are landing up here. That's for damn sure.
Heads up, heads up.
Yeah, boss.
Yeah!
That scared me so much.
Oh.
Yeah, buddy. No hands, no hander lander.
Yeah, Darren.
You did it.
Fuck yeah.
Fuck. Fuck.
Oh.
Fuck. Oh boy.
Ooh! Oh. You all right? Yeah!
Oh, in the bomb hole, dude. Oh, yeah. Shucks. Oh, no.
You rolled away. Yeah. Keep her going.
Into the jump.
Keep her
Yeah,
going.
Into the pausa. Go right. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Yeah. Oh, like a Bosch.
Lucky.
Almost there. No lift, no problem, guys. We ended up at a place with snow. Whether or not you can get on the chairlift doesn't mean you can't enjoy it. We had super fun session on the booter. Props to Darren Potts for putting his backflip to feet with the no-hander lander. And yeah, this was super fun. None of us really get to do this. We usually ride resorts. And it was a great day. Yeah, bro. Whoa.
Yeah, she's
What a day.
What a day. Just like that.
Woo! Wow.
What a day. We had a blast on the kicker. We had that bluebird powder.
What?
Stuff dreams are made of. Other than, you know, lots of vertical or a lot of laps. But when you're with good company, you can always find something to do. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
What's up, Internet? Thanks for watching this episode of Kenny Vlogs. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up. If you want to see more, hit subscribe, and I'll see you next time.